The first demonstration of SAFERS platform and intelligence services was performed in October 2022 in Corsica at the premises of the Fire and Rescue Service of Haute-Corse. With a team composed of 1,300 firefighters, SIS-2B protects a population group varying from 161,000 to approximately 400,000 people during the summer. The island of Corsica is prone to many disasters like forest fires and floods. That is why the fire department has a significant experience as a first responder. SAFERS demo were located near the municipality of Biguglia that was impacted by the Almeida di Tuta fire in 2017, selected as the reference scenario of the demo. The beta version of the intelligence services were tested in a controlled environment with data and information from well-known events of the recent past and already available to local stakeholders. Besides SAFERS partners, the event involved technical entities, first responders, local authorities, and citizens. During the first phase of prevention and preparedness, the crowdsourcing intelligence for improved EO mapping was used to perform real-time information extraction from Twitter. During the same phase, the functionalities and capabilities of the chatbot via the Telegram application were presented to the participants. The tool was tested on the field by assigning them different tasks. The subseasonal weather forecast and operational early warnings were also employed to compare the level of risk in SAFERS weather and hazard maps with those provided by Meteo France. Each weather forecast variable was tested using both the spatial and the temporal visualization. The results show that SAFERS meteorological forecasting products turn out to be a good complementary data source to define the level of fire risk and thus adapt the operational response. The smoke and fire detection systems were tested during the second phase of detection and response using a smoke bomb. The smoke cam has managed to detect the smoke simulating a fire start and created the alert on the dashboard. The field team was then asked to confirm the start of the fire using the reporting capability of the chatbot, allowing to create a fire event. In the next step, the service of on-demand nowcast and forecast was used to predict the fire behavior and to plan the actions like evacuations or attack strategies. The participants were provided with laptops to create simulations of a reference fire of interest using SAFERS dashboard. In order to check how long it takes to run and how accurate the burnt delineation is, the EO-based fire delineation and burnt area was tested. Finally, the adaptation and restoration phase took place using the EO-based post-wildfire habitat recovery service. Maps to evaluate the vegetation recovery and the impact of the fire to the vegetation regrowth were requested, and the participants were given the possibility to use the dashboard to create maps. The interactions recorded during the demo and the training session were satisfactory, mainly due to the invited audience that has actively participated in the entire event. The demonstration allowed to test in a relevant environment the dashboard of SAFERS and its intelligence services while engaging with several end users in France and abroad.